Pottery in the Indus Valley Civilization (IVC) was one of its most distinctive crafts and provides important clues about their daily life, trade, and artistic culture.
For archaeologists, any kind of pottery is the most significant sources of information, not only because of its durability and abundance but also for the vast range of information on ancient societies that can be inferred from its systematic study.
The Indus Valley ceramic is known for its red surface with black painting on the neck and belly portion. The ornamentation varies from people leaf to geometric pattern. The Indus pottery further classified as kitchenware, tableware, storage and ritualistic ware. A limited number of this type of jars have been found at Harappan sites. This is a tall storage jar with a prominent flange below the orifice, and a graceful elongated concave convex profile, slightly bulging near the flat-footed base.
Another unique and typical Indus Valley ceramics is perforated jars, tall and cylindrical in form. The holes were probably made with the help of a circular stick, pushing through the wet clay from the outside.
This is one of the most distinctive types of pottery found at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, which is also known as offering stand. This dark red slip spouted cup is an example of various needs and food practice of Indus Valley people. This spoon is a perfect example of the eating practices of the Indus Valley people. This is an excellent example of a lid, also known as a jar cover with a knob in the middle to hold it. A red-colored cup with a perforated handle is an interesting remain. This bowl was made on a fast wheel, as the striation marks suggest. A red-colored cup with a perforated handle is an interesting remain. Perforated pottery with large holes at the bottom and small holes all over the wall was probably used for straining the liquor. Miniature vessels, generally less than half an inch in size, were used for decorative purposes. Pottery for household purposes was found in all shapes and sizes. Graceful curves were used, while straight and angular shapes were an exception. Cultural symbolism. Decorative motifs often held symbolic meaning, possibly linked to beliefs, nature worship, or social identity. Indus Valley Civilization pottery reflects the artistic skill, cultural values, and daily life of one of the world's earliest urban societies. C. 3300–1300 BCE.